Welcome to StockInvest YouTube channel and this ETF report for PowerShares QQQ Trust. The report was first published on our website Friday, May 27, 2022, but this is a more detailed version. Our aim is to help you answer the question, should I buy or sell PowerShares QQQ Trust? In this video you will get insight in both the technical and the fundamental situation in addition to future price predictions. Please remember to subscribe, hit like and notification bell so you will be first to know when we post a new updated video. Our systems currently rank the PowerShares QQQ Trust ETF with a -1.408 score, and our system has ranked PowerShares QQQ Trust sell candidate since April 26, 2022. In this period the stock has had a loss of -2.54%. This is an average return of -0.11% per day since first recommended. In our daily updates for PowerShares QQQ Trust, our last headline reads, PowerShares QQQ Trust ETF price up 3.26% on Friday. The PowerShares QQQ Trust ETF price gained 3.26% on the last trading day, Friday, May 27, 2022, rising from $299.33 to $309.10. And has now gained 4 days in a row. It will be exciting to see whether it manages to continue gaining or take a minor break for the next few days. During the day the ETF fluctuated 2.26% from a day low at $302.42 to a day high of $309.25. The price has been going up and down for this period, and there has been a 2.37% gain for the last 2 weeks. Volume has increased on the last day along with the price, which is a positive technical sign, and, in total, 8 million more shares were traded than the day before. In total, 67 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $20.69 billion. In the last 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $408.71, and the lowest price was $280.21. Right now the price is 24.37%, or $99.61, below 52-week high at $408.71, which also is all-time high for the ETF. The ETF lies in the middle of a wide and falling trend in the short term, and further fall within the trend is signaled. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible -14.85% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between -21.31% and -7.63%. The 12-month trend indicates a -8.46% change over the next 12 months with a possible return between -14.74% and 14.52%. This equals a price between $263.55 and $353.98 after a year. Analyst ratings and price targets. In this section we will give you some information about signals found for PowerShares QQQ Trust. We will start with the general picture before we move on some of the most famous indicators and signals that will give you a deeper and better understanding of the trading possibilities in the ETF. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, May 24, 2022, and so far it has risen 7.61%. Further rise is indicated until a new top pivot has been found. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Volume is rising along with the price. This is considered to be a good technical signal. Some negative signals were issued as well, and these may have some influence on the near short-term development. The PowerShares QQQ Trust ETF holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average. At the same time, however, the long-term average holds a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, there is a general sell signal in the ETF giving a more negative forecast for the stock. On further gains, the ETF will meet resistance from the long-term moving average at $315.18. On a fall, the ETF will find some support from the short-term average at $294.10. A breakup through the long-term average will give another buy signal, while a fall below the short-term average will add another sell signal and strengthen the general signal. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence holds a buy signal. Pivots gave a buy signal 4 days ago. Bollinger gave a buy signal 12 days ago. The short-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 3 days ago. The long-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a sell signal 35 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages in the 3-month chart. gave a buy signal 32 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average gave a buy signal 3 days ago. The long-term moving average gave a buy signal 44 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages gave a buy signal 91 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss for PowerShares QQQ Trust. PowerShares QQQ Trust finds support from accumulated volume at $300.76, and this level may hold a buying opportunity as an upwards reaction can be expected when the support is being tested. This ETF has average movements during the day, and with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. During the last day, the ETF moved $6.83 between high and low, or 2.26%. For the last week, the ETF has had a daily average volatility of 2.67%. Let us have a look at some fundamental data you should be aware of before we tell you some possible good trading levels for PowerShares QQQ Trust. The price-to-earnings ratio, PE ratio, is the ratio for valuing a company that measures its current share price relative to its per-share earnings. PowerShares QQQ Trust currently has a price-earning ratio of 3.43. This is a relatively low price-to-earnings ratio and either signal a low expectation for the future of the company, or that the stock is undervalued and could indicate a buying opportunity. Here are some possible good day trading levels. On an upturn, PowerShares QQQ Trust meets first resistance at $309.25. If you do not hold PowerShares QQQ Trust shares, you should wait for this level to be broken before placing your bet. If you already have the stock, this is the level you may want to swing trade. On a downturn, PowerShares QQQ Trust finds first level of support at $300.76, and this is a natural place to put your bet if the support holds with an expectation of a rebound upwards. In the table we have listed other potential swing trading levels based on the famous Fibonacci model. We hold a negative evaluation for this ETF, no stop loss set. Is PowerShares QQQ Trust ETF a buy? PowerShares QQQ Trust holds several negative signals, and we believe that it will still perform weakly in the next couple of days or weeks. We, therefore, hold a negative evaluation of this ETF. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is overvalued. For the trading on Tuesday 31st, we expect PowerShares QQQ Trust to open down negative $2.18 and start trading at $306.92. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Remember that anyone leaving a company stands the chance of winning a lifetime subscription worth $495 to our services. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get all the latest videos and updates.